Okay guys, let's go. Bigat ah. Nanginig ako. Let's go. 1, 2. We're the party people. I'll say guys, so if you guys can remember, I tried being a magtataho for a day back then. And now I've thought about why not become someone else again, but this time a construction worker. So this is just another life swap series type of thing. And now we are about to go to our house in Antipolo na ginagawa pa lang. Let's go there now. Alright guys, so now we are here in our future house. Actually, Niana's gonna be here with me. She's gonna see how I'm doing as a construction worker later. But she's gonna be staying at the office. Good morning po.
Ako si Davey Barredo, project manager.
Calvin Angeles, in charge naman ako sa timekeeping, warehousing, safety.
Po si Romeo Losaura, ako po yung foreman dito.
Ngayong araw po kasi, magiging construction worker ako. Tingnan ko kung gaano kahirap. May ma-advise po ba kayo sa akin?
Safety lang, medyo rocky. May tendency mag-slide ka, baka ayun lang.
Process of mind lang.
Process of mind lang.
Process of mind. At the time, maraming obstacles dito na pwede mong ma-encounter. Process of mind.
At nandito man kami mag-aalala sa iyo para...
Okay, thank you po. Let's go!
Alright guys, so while Kuya's trying to put up his safety clothes on, I'm gonna stay here and chill first because it's very hot outside with Dad and Mom. Good luck, Kuya!
We have long sleeves over here, reflectorized vest, gloves, and we also have hard hat. And meron tayong boots. This is called the safety shoes. So now, let's wear them all. 3, 2, 1. Go! Yeah. Alright guys, as you can see, andito na yung semento guys, so we need to go there. So yan yung mixer, kanina pa namin hihintayan. Ingat-ingat tayo.
So gagawin natin ngayon is slam test. So i-check natin yung workability nung konkreto na to. Ang strength ng konkreto na to is 5,000 PSI.
So slam test tong ginagawa ni Kuya. So ganito yung gawa.
Yan. 8 sir?
8?
Opo.
Okay, pasok.
Ang slam natin dapat 6 to 8 inches. So 8 inches siya pasok. Kada isang vinegar sir, 3 layers. Tapos 25 thumb. Ginagawa natin yung para eliminate yung voids dun sa konkreto. Then i-vibrate mo using hammer.
Okay guys, let's go! Bigat ah! 1/3?
Yan, okay na yan. Tapos isa naman.
Okay.
Very good.
Let's go!
Okay, yung hammer.
Alright! Alright, well done. Thank you. Alright guys, so medyo napagod ako dun. Talagang workout.
Ano ba yan?
Vibrator.
Yung vibrator, nakakatulong yan sa pag-eliminate ng mga ampaw o kaya honeycomb. Kaya ginaganyan natin siya.
Nanginig ako! Good job! Good job sa anak ko!
Ayun na. Yan. Kabila. Yan. Dagdag kayo, dagdag.
So dito talaga sa pag-construct, kailangan ng teamwork. Teamwork makes the dream work dito.
Ito magbuhos.
Sige po, saan po?
Dito. Ay, dun. Mas maganda, ganito position.
Okay, sige.
Sige.
Nagkamali ako.
Yan. Good.
Alright!
Good job. Oh, kamay. Yun. Go.
Parang slime lang. Oh, bigat. May bigat. Woo! Bigat! Shoutout sa lahat ng mga nandito ngayon. Sobrang hardworking ng mga tao. May bigat, kuya.
Okay lang.
Puno na.
Stop.
Stop.
Change position.
So actually right now, it's 12 o'clock. Usually lunch break ng lahat. Kaso since nandito yung mixer, kailangan namin ubusin lahat na nandito. So taste muna. Let's go! Pala ako nag-vote dito eh.
Mali yan. Charis. Ano ginagawa mo?
Hindi nagtutulong.
Ano yan?
Hindi ko alam eh.
Wow!
Yo! Okay guys, so para mabilis ang progress, pasahan dito. Kita nyo naman. Sunod. Oh.
Okay ka lang?
So as you can see, yung binuhos natin kanina, patag na siya ngayon.
Itong binuhusan mo kanina, puting tie beam.
I got some boots here because I'm gonna try to hop in there and help out. Pagod.
Nagbabayad siya ng concrete. As you can see, looks very heavy to me. But I know he could do it. Let's go, kuya! Ganyan pala yun. Ngayon lang ako nakakita ng construction na live. You know what? 100% respect to all the construction workers out there.
Gusto kayo? Pagod na? Ha? Kaya ba? Strong, we are strong. Agad. It's the first time I did that thing. It's an experience for me to be able to help out to some construction workers. So yung experience talagang kakaiba. Nakakapagod pero masaya. Lalo na ta bahay namin to, so special to. I can say that tumulong ako sa pagtayo ng bahay. Okay guys, so when we arrived here, the goal was put like the 8 cubic meters of concrete out sa footing, tie beam, and column. And now, it's all done. So we finished our goal. Yeah, I'm so glad that I was able to help them out and to experience this thing. Saludo ako sa mga construction worker, sa engineer, and sa lahat ng mga parte nitong pag-build ng bahay namin. So sila ang punot dulo nitong paggawa nitong bahay. I just wanna thank them all.
Kaming dalawa, we are from Gozi Construction. So we are hired as construction managers of this project. So we are guiding or helping the owner for the planning, design, procurement, and construction stage of this project.
I'm the contractor. We are in charge of building the house of our friend Nino Guerrero and their family.
As project managers, we serve as the client's representative in the site, and we make sure that all construction plans and design specifications are followed according to the best interest of our client, and that's Sir Nino.
Ano ba masabi niya sa pagtulong ko?
Pwede na nga eh, pwede tumulong sa amin para matapos ang project agad.
Ranz, if you want to change career, become a civil engineer, just call us.
Good job, si Ranz. Hiningal nga lang, pero okay pa rin.
Thanks po. Thank you po sa
for
mga
visiting us here. Yeah.
You can literally say you built your house, your own house.
Alright guys, so we are finally done being a construction worker for a day. Grabe, talagang saludo talaga sa mga nagagawa ng ganun. Kailangan mo ng lakas tsaka sipag para magawa tong trabaho na to. I just wanna say na we appreciate y'all.
Pwede na!
Maganda yan at marami ka natutunan na hindi rin biro yung trabaho nila, no? At yung mga boys na yan, sila yung gumagawa rin ng bahay natin. So,
Okay po. Ako mahina. Malakas.
Malakas.
bukas, kung mararamdaman yung sakit ng katawan yan.
Sana hindi.
Talaga.
Ano pangalan niyo po?
Fernan.
Calvin.
Sonny Boy.
Daniel.
Ray.
Jay. Rome. Foreman Rome.
Alright guys, so sila yung mga talagang malalakas na gumagawa ng bahay namin and sobrang saludo lang talaga. Thank you so much. Parte kayo ng bahay na to kasi kayo yung gumawa. So, thank you so much talaga. Anyway, meron akong onting pang merienda lang sa inyo. So, kay Foreman ko na bibigay, kayo na pong bahala.
Thank you. Thank you.
So, thank you po. Ingat and takits ulit soon. Let's go! Tinitiis nila yung init kasi they're working from morning until like nighttime. Sobrang saludo ako sa mga construction worker talaga. Grabe.